There exists a land where the horizon never ends, a place where nature still rules, where winters can freeze entire rivers and summers awaken endless oceans of green. This is Mongolia, the last great wilderness of Asia, a country of vast emptiness, ancient traditions, and some of the harshest living conditions on Earth. But hidden within this seemingly barren landscape lies one of the most fascinating ecosystems our planet has ever known. This is the story of life, survival, and nature's ultimate test. Welcome to Mongolia, Life on Earth. Mongolia is often called the land of eternal blue sky, and for good reason. It enjoys more than 250 sunny days every year. Stretching across 1.5 million square kilometers, Mongolia is one of the largest landlocked nations on Earth. Yet, it remains one of the least populated. Why? Because this land is not easily conquered. To the south lies the legendary Gobi Desert, one of the coldest deserts in the world. To the west, the mighty Altai Mountains rise like ancient guardians, and between them stretches the endless steppe, a sea of grass so vast, it feels like standing at the edge of another world. Here, nature sets the rules, and survival demands respect. Mongolia experiences one of the harshest climates on Earth. In winter, temperatures plunge below -40 degrees Celsius. In summer, they can soar above 35. This violent contrast creates one of nature's greatest survival challenges. Every living thing here faces the same choice: adapt or disappear. And yet, life thrives. For thousands of years, the people of Mongolia have lived in harmony with this unforgiving land. Nearly 1/3 of the population still follows the ancient nomadic way of life, living in traditional felt homes called gurs, warm, and perfectly designed for survival. These homes move with the seasons. Across the grasslands, families follow their animals in search of better grazing lands. Horses, yaks, camels, goats, sheep. This is not simply a lifestyle. It is a relationship with nature, a rhythm unchanged for centuries. No animal defines Mongolia more than the horse. Here, horses are not just companions. They are symbols of freedom, of identity, of history. This is the homeland of the world's only truly wild horse, Przewalski's horse. Once extinct in the wild, it has returned, a rare victory in humanity's effort to restore what was lost. Across these plains, they run once again, untamed, unbroken, free. High in Mongolia's frozen mountains, a ghost moves through the snow, silent, invisible, watching. The snow leopard, one of Earth's most elusive predators, perfectly camouflaged, graceful, deadly. Mongolia is one of its final strongholds, but its future hangs in the balance, and with it, the balance of an entire ecosystem. Deep within the Gobi Desert, the sands sing. When the wind moves across the towering dunes, a low, haunting hum rises from the earth, as if the desert itself is alive. This is Kongaran Els, the singing sands, a place of mystery. And beneath these shifting dunes lie the fossils of ancient giants. Dinosaurs once ruled this land, and their stories remain buried beneath the desert floor, waiting to be discovered. In western Mongolia, an extraordinary tradition still survives: the eagle hunters. For generations, Kazakh hunters have trained golden eagles to hunt across the mountains. The bond between hunter and bird is built on trust, respect, and ancient knowledge. It is one of humanity's oldest partnerships with the wild, a tradition that continues to defy time. But Mongolia is changing. Climate change is making winters harsher. Deadly storms known as duds are becoming more frequent. Entire herds can vanish overnight. At the same time, urban growth and mining expansion threaten fragile ecosystems. Mongolia now stands at a crossroads. Can progress and preservation coexist? Can a nation modernize without losing its connection to the land? Mongolia teaches us something our modern world often forgets: that true strength is not found in conquering nature, but in learning to live with it. Here, beneath the endless sky, life is stripped to its purest form: earth, wind, survival, and wisdom. As the sun sets across the steppe, one question remains. In our race toward progress, what are we willing to leave behind? And what lessons still wait for us in the wild places of this earth? Mongolia is more than a country. It is a reminder that the wild still exists, and if we listen closely, it still has stories to tell.